Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to print enlarge images into multiple pages in Microsoft Word for poster printing. Alright, let's begin. First, open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. Go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures. Choose the image you want to print. For this example, I will use an online picture. Once the image is inserted, right-click on it, select Wrap Text and choose Behind Text. This allows you to move and resize the image easily. Adjust the image to your desired size. Next, go to File and select Print. Choose your printer and click on Printer Properties. Since I don't have a printer connected, I will use screenshots to show you the options. In the Properties window, look for the Multi-Page option in the Main tab. Click the drop-down menu to see different poster printing options. Select the one you prefer and proceed to print. These settings may vary depending on your Word version, but the steps are largely the same. So that's it for this video. Thanks.